Hello and welcome to day 2 of KBIS 2025 with Nadine and I. I'm very excited to be heading to the North Hall today where they're going to have lots of plumbing, some countertop materials, and then of course Nadine is going to continue interviewing all of the great vendors that she finds. So come along and join us and see what we find on day 2.
All right, so that's a wrap on day 2 of KBIS 2025. We had a lot of fun today. We saw a lot of very interesting things, and I think it was a very productive day.
I think so too. I had a lot of fun today. I had fun finding things I wasn't looking for.
Yeah, exactly. For instance, Gatco has these grab bars that you happen to find, which I think are amazing because, as I mentioned in the video that I did with them, nobody likes the aesthetic of a grab bar. Clients are like, oh, I don't want these because they're ugly, but I know I need it. So I think that's going to be a great solution. So stay tuned for that video that you'll be able to see more details on that. You also, in Arizona Tile, found some really beautiful slabs.
Yes,
right?
So when you're not looking for or you don't want to use a natural stone, and for the past couple of years, I've kind of been saying be on the lookout because your creams, your browns are coming in. Look for your limestones to come back in, and lo and behold, we came across the porcelain slabs that they're introducing with the new limestone, travertine, and Taj Mahal alternative quartzite. So I was excited to find that.
Yeah. And then of course, Renovation, I use a lot in a lot of my construction projects. So we stopped by there and talked to those people there, and they're always so great. They have some new products that came out, some really beautiful wood pullouts and different things, which I think aesthetically is beautiful. It's not typical of what Renovation typically looks like. So I think people are really gonna love that. They did mention that that particular one is not gonna be available until the end of the year, right? But the maple is going to be available. So I think that's gonna be really nice for people to see that they can have something aesthetically pleasing, but also functional.
Right.
So I think that was really great. What else did you like about today?
Well, I like so many things, but those were my top 3 favorite things today. So, I mean, we had lots of bathroom trends we found. We've seen some cabinet trends we found. So lots of stuff to be on the lookout that you're going to show them.
Colors.
Colors and all kinds of things.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for all of the videos we're going to be putting out for KBIS 2025. And we'll have more fun tomorrow. Okay.